Guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to see your card number on TD Bank app. So first of all, you have to go to login into your TD Bank app. So I'm using a web browser. You can use an application. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. So press the login button into your credential, and when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. Now while you're on the home page, you have to go ahead and tap the down arrow located to the right access card line in order to show you a list of stored username and access card number. So there you should be able to find your card number, and likewise if you're unable to find the card number, you could go to your account info section, and there you could locate or select the particular card for which you wish to go ahead and see the card number. You could press on that and you should be able to see the last four digits of your credit card details. Sometimes you won't be able to view the card. Now in most cases or in most of the banking app, you'll not be able to see your card number on the online or the internet banking due to some security or safety concern. So you could go ahead and check out your Google account or any other places that you must have saved your information. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.